When you want to connect your phone on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van, we make sure that we're on the home screen, like so. Then select the option for phone and make sure that your Bluetooth is connected on your mobile device. Then select Connect Device and it starts to search for available mobile phone Bluetooth devices. Select the option that belongs to your mobile phone and watch as it connects. Please confirm the passkey on your mobile phone like so. Allow the favourites to sync. Read the data protection statement relating to Apple CarPlay if you wish to connect this, or Android Auto. Once you've read through these details and accepted, select OK to start Apple CarPlay. Also connect on your phone. And now you've connected your phone. If you're using Apple CarPlay, you can use the relevant applications, or you can use it to make telephone calls.